Hey guys, it's Heather. In today's video, we're going to be trying the new NYX Worth the Hype mascara. So let's just jump right in and see if it's in fact worth the hype. So I have my full face done. I have my eyeshadow done. Today I used the new Dream Street. This is the Kathleen Lights times Color Pop. I used mainly this shade right here, this one down below, this one up top, and then this one in my inner corners. So I have no product whatsoever on my lashes right now. This is what they look like without any product on them. And underneath the NYX mascara, I am going to use the L'Oreal Voluminous Base Primer. And typically I just use this on the top lashes. You don't really need to use it on your bottom lashes. So now that my lashes are nice and coated, we're gonna go in and try this NYX Worth the Hype, and let's see if it's in fact worth the hype. So again, I've never tried this before. This is my first time. The applicator looks like this, and it claims to be a volumizing and lengthening mascara all in one, and I think it only comes in the shade black. At least that was all they had at Ulta. So let's go in with the first coat and see. Now I'm gonna be comparing this to my current favorite, which is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. I wanna see how it performs in comparison to that one. Okay, so the first coat is on my right eye. So far, I would definitely compare it to the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. It's definitely not as drying as that one is. And I think that this one is definitely buildable, which I really like. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a coat on the left eye. So the left eye is nice and coated. As of right now, I would say this is most comparable to the Voluminous Lash Paradise, almost mixed with the regular L'Oreal Voluminous. So like the regular L'Oreal Voluminous that kind of looks like this one, but it comes in like that carbon black. I feel like it's like a hybrid of something like that mixed together. But I definitely want to see how it performs with a few coats. So I'm going to go ahead and go back in on the right eye and see how this layers. And so far it is layering pretty good. Definitely gives you like a very feathery, volumizing look, and it definitely lengthens the lashes as well. So far, definitely think this is worth the hype. It's only like $7.99. Right now, I think NYX products are buy one, get one half off. So I picked up a backup, and I think I only spent like $12 for 2 mascaras. So going in now on the left eye with the second coat. And I will say, like, the feel of the lashes are very soft and like fluttery and feathery. It's not like a hard or like a crunchy feeling. So you can definitely, I would say, like, go over and reapply throughout the day and layer throughout the day. It's not going to be stiff lash that tend to kind of like flake off and get all over your face. I don't see it being a type of mascara like that. So that is with 2 coats on. And I'm going to be careful not to open my eyes too wide because I definitely don't want to get black marks up into my eyeshadow. I'm going to quickly put some on my bottom lashes and see how it works as a lower lash mascara. For the lower lashes, it definitely does the job. It's nothing too crazy. I wouldn't say it's like small and precise. I really prefer using like a L'Oreal telescopic, something that has a skinnier wand to kind of get in there, but this does the job just fine. I'm gonna go ahead and do a third and final coat, and then I'll give my overall opinion. Okay, so the third coat of mascara is on and my lashes look super voluminous and very long, and they feel very, very soft to the touch. I didn't notice much clumping with layering the mascara again and again. I find that a lot of other mascaras, they will tend to clump as you layer more and more on. So that's really good. I will say that this is definitely, like I mentioned before, a hybrid between L'Oreal's Voluminous Original, like the Carbon Black, mixed with the new Lash Paradise. But what's good about this is that it has both features that I really like about both of those mascaras in one. As far as getting like in the smaller lashes inside here and the bottom lashes, still really like the L'Oreal Telescopic to get in that area, although this did a really good job. So yeah, this is definitely up there with my favorites now. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below. And I hope everyone has a great day. Bye guys.